Hey loves, welcome back. Today it's all about how to fake twists. You may decide to use wool, you may decide to use Brazil wool, you may decide to use Mali hair. You can use almost all kind of hair to achieve this look, and it's so easy, it is simple. Even if you don't know how to braid, try this method and I'm telling you, you'll be amazed. If you're my returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. But if you're new to this family, you're welcome. My name is Glory Mtui, and before you leave, feel free to hit the subscribe button below, turn on notification bell, and don't forget to share this video with your loved one. I use this royal silk hair. I use 4 packs. This hair comes with a lot, so many names. Some they call this hair Mali hair, some they call Afro back. It's the same texture. So I go ahead and I part my hair, and then I use gel to apply on my section so that I can get clean and neat. Then I redo the line again. You may either decide to go with bigger section or smaller section depending on how long you want to keep this protective style. And as usual, every section I make, I will make in between the previous section. And to create the best, after I part the section, I go ahead and I do 3-way braids, just like so. I divide my natural hair into 3 and then I braid. I didn't braid like the whole till the end. I just braid till I feel like I braid longer enough, and even if I crochet the hair will not come out. So just like this way, and I'll be showing you how I hold my hair in different sides so that you can know clear how to hold your hair when you are doing your hair. As you can see, here is the middle of my head, and this is how I hold my hair. I divide my hair into 3, and then you may either decide to braid from right side or from left side. It's all up to you depending on how easy it is for you to braid. And then keep braid. You may either decide to braid like 10 steps or 15 steps. It's all up to you. This hairstyle you can achieve with short hair or long hair, as long as you know how to tuck in your hair well. And here I almost done. This is my last section. And here we go. I braid and I repeat exactly the same process. And then here we go. Here I'm done to create the best. Let me go ahead and hold these sections together so that I'll not be braid 2 sections in one section. So as you can see, let me part them into 3 so that I can hold them well. I use elastic band at this point, and then as you can see, I leave this line. Take your Mali hair or your royal silk hair. Every piece I divide into 3. Like this piece. You need tiny piece. Then you need crochet needle, and each section I use 2 strands of royal silk hair, and I go ahead and I crochet. Another thing I forgot to mention earlier is when you are creating the base, don't create too tight, because later when you crochet your hair, you don't want to feel or to cause any tension on your scalp. So when you are creating the base, make sure you do a little bit loose. So after I crochet two strands, as you see, I take one tiny piece and I'll be using this to wrap all over. And once you take this tiny piece, you don't need to add hair, you will keep going all the way. So first of all, I start to wrap on my hair. You have to do something like a lock. Make sure you hold and you wrap well. You don't need to go like too far. After you feel like the hair hold well, go ahead and tuck in your natural hair. Make sure you tuck in your natural hair, especially if you're using different color with your hair. As you can see here, I use purple color, but my hair is black, so I have to make sure I tuck my hair. Sometimes it's hard to tuck your hair like 100%, but at least you can try 90 or 85%. So after I tuck in my hair, I make sure I roll and wrap, roll and wrap. As you can see, this tiny piece I'll be using to wrap every time. And I don't know if you notice that the direction I'm rolling and the direction I'm wrapping, they are two different sides. If you do like you are rolling going the same direction with the direction you are wrapping, you'll not get twist. Make sure these two, they're going into different directions. So I'll keep wrapping, roll and wrap, roll and wrap. And after I feel like I wrap like couple steps, I go ahead and I pull the twist up, and I'll be using my hand to make the twists even. So you may either try to pull them up if you feel like the distance from one twist to another is bigger, or if you feel like the twists they are too close, you may either decide to pull them down depending on your preference. And this is how this fake twist looks like. You can't tell this is fake twist, guys. And it's so easy. Even if you don't know how to braid, I'm telling you, you can achieve this look. And here is almost end of this braid, so I go ahead and I secure. And once you secure, you need to take more tiny piece to secure so that the hair will not unravel. I wrap couple times. You may either decide to wrap like 4 or 5 times and then secure twice or 3 times to make sure like your protective style will last longer and you don't need to worry that your hair will unravel. Again, take your two pieces and your crochet needle, crochet your hair, and before you do anything, make sure both sides they are even, because you don't want to braid and some side you find it's longer and other side is short. You'll make your hair look uneven. And then take a tiny piece, wrap. You have to wrap a couple times, and before you start to make twists, make sure you're not wrapping too tight because you don't want to cause any tension on your scalp. And after that, go ahead and tuck in your natural hair before you start make twists. And once you are making twists, make sure you roll and twist, roll and twist. After you roll like 5 6 times, make sure you pull your twist up and then use your finger to resize your twist. And repeat exactly the same process till in the end of the section. In the end, you don't need to cut any hair. After you finish, just wrap back and then Use the piece remain to wrap till the hair finish. And here we almost done. This is my last section. So guys, I hope you see how I hold my hair in different section or in different side. I show you how I braid in the middle of my head. I show you how I braid in the back, and this time we are in the front section. Guys, if you know how to tuck the hair, it's so easy. Once you get used into it, you'll find out you don't have any problem to braid any color, any different color, regardless of your customer or your own hair color. You can do any kind of color if you know how to tuck in the hair. As you can see, every time after I braid couple twist, I go ahead and resize, and then I keep my twist. So guys, here I'm done with styling. Let me go ahead and put on my makeup, and I'll come back with the final results. So this is the final results for today's video. Hopefully you enjoy watching and you get something. If yes, kindly leave your comments in comment section. Let me know if you try this hairstyle, or what do you think about this hairstyle. I love you guys so much, and thank you very much for your support. I don't take it for granted. So guys, I will see you very soon on my next video. Bye bye.